Hey everyone, MKBHD here. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, content is king. Every day, millions of pieces of content are created and shared across various platforms, making it crucial to stand out. We all know that creating engaging and high-quality content can be time-consuming. The pressure to constantly produce fresh and captivating material can be overwhelming. That's where Tool comes in. This innovative tool is designed to alleviate the stress and streamline your content creation process. It's a game changer for content creators of all levels. Whether you're a vlogger, blogger, social media manager, or a digital marketer, Tool has got you covered. Hagen is an AI-powered platform that simplifies and enhances your content creation process. It uses advanced algorithms to help you generate high-quality content effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Hagen has something for you. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate and utilize its features with ease. It's like having a creative assistant available 24/7. Imagine having a tool that understands your needs and helps you create content around the clock. Imagine this. You can generate captivating articles, compelling scripts, and even engaging social media posts in minutes. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write next. Tool allows you to focus on what you do best, being creative. It takes care of the mundane tasks, giving you more time to brainstorm and innovate. Hagen makes this possible with its intuitive interface and powerful AI algorithms. The platform is designed to be accessible and efficient, ensuring that you can produce top-notch content without any hassle. So, if you're ready to unlock a new level of content creation efficiency and quality, join me as we dive deeper into the world of Tool. Let's explore how this incredible tool can transform your content creation journey and help you achieve your goals. Before we jump into the exciting part of content creation, let's talk about data. Hagen thrives on information. It uses data to understand your needs and generate the best possible content. Hagen.com is where the magic begins. The website is a hub of information and resources. You can find everything from blog posts to tutorials, all designed to help you get the most out of the tool. Think of data collection as providing Hagen with the building blocks for your content. The more information you provide, the better it can understand your vision. Whether it's keywords, phrases, or even entire articles, feeding Hagen relevant data empowers it to create content that is both accurate and engaging. One of the things that makes Hagen so impressive is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind. Even if you're new to AI-powered tools, you'll find Hagen easy to navigate. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by a clean dashboard. Everything is neatly organized and self-explanatory. Think of it like the home screen of your favorite app. On the left side, you'll find a menu with all the essential features. Creating new projects, accessing your saved work, and adjusting settings are all just a click away. The main area of the interface is where the magic happens. This is where you'll input your prompts, review generated content, and make any necessary edits. Section 4. The Power of Prompts, Guiding Hagen's Creativity. Now let's talk about prompts. Prompts are the foundation of Hagen's creative process. Prompts are the instructions you give Hagen to generate content. They act as the guiding light, steering the AI toward the desired outcome. Think of them as the creative spark that ignites the AI's imagination. Just like a spark can start a fire, a well-crafted prompt can lead to amazing content. The beauty of prompts is their flexibility. They can be molded and shaped to fit any creative need. You can be as specific or as broad as you like. Whether you need a detailed analysis or a general overview, prompts can be tailored to suit your requirements. Want Hagen to write a blog post about the latest tech gadgets? Just type it in. The AI will take your prompt and run with it, creating content that meets your specifications. Need a script for a YouTube video about the history of smartphones? Hagen can handle that too. Simply provide the prompt and watch the magic happen. Hagen can handle that too. The possibilities are endless. From blog posts to video scripts, the range of content you can create with Hagen is vast. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the more focused and relevant the generated content will be. Specific prompts help Hagen understand exactly what you need. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts to see what kind of results you get. Trying out various prompts can lead to discovering new and exciting ways to use Hagen's capabilities. So, dive in, explore, and let your creativity flow with Hagen. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to craft the perfect prompts for your needs. With Hagen, the power of creativity is at your fingertips. Unleash it with the right prompts and watch your ideas come to life. Section 5. AI in Action Witnessing Content Generation. This is where things get really exciting. Imagine sitting back and watching as the AI takes over the heavy lifting of content creation. Once you've provided Hagen with a prompt, sit back and watch the AI work its magic. It's a fascinating process that unfolds right before your eyes. It's like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips, ready to craft compelling narratives and informative articles. In a matter of seconds, Hagen will analyze your prompt, gather relevant information, and start generating content. The speed and efficiency are truly remarkable. You'll see the text appear on the screen in real time as if by magic. It's a seamless blend of technology and creativity. The AI is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which allows it to generate human-quality content. This extensive training ensures that the AI understands context, nuance, and the subtleties of language. It's not just about stringing words together. Hagen can create complex sentence structures and coherent paragraphs that flow naturally. Hagen understands grammar, syntax, and even style. It can adapt to different tones and voices, making the content versatile and suitable for various audiences. The content generated by Hagen is often surprisingly good. It's not just passable, it's engaging and well-crafted, often exceeding expectations. It's well-written, informative, and engaging. Whether it's an article, a blog post, or a social media update, the quality is consistently high. Of course, you'll want to review and edit the content before you publish it, but it's a great starting point. The AI provides a solid foundation that you can build upon, saving you time and effort in the content creation process. Once you're satisfied with the content, you can share it with your audience, confident that it will resonate and engage. The power of AI in content generation is truly transformative, opening up new possibilities for creativity and efficiency.